Hey guys, so welcome to the unboxing of this package that I got from AliExpress today, and it was delivered like within 10-11 days something. And this basically is a wire stripper come wire crimper. So we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing of this thing. After doing the unboxing of this thing, we are also going to test this tool with three different kind of wires I have over here. This is like a big thick wire. I don't know the gauge on this thing, but it's like a double wire. So we're gonna test on this. We're gonna test on this a slightly stiffer wire, and we have this DuPont connector. Then we are also going to test the crimper of this tool. I have a few bullet connectors over here, male as well as female. So we're gonna test it on these things. Okay, so let's keep this for a moment aside, and we'll go ahead with the unboxing of this thing. Let me get the focus right. Yeah. Okay. So let's go ahead. Boy, it's heavy. So there we have it. Nothing else in the box. Yeah, wait a second, I'll get to you. And we have this crimper tool. I mean the stripper and the crimper. We have this wire. Okay, but let me focus again. Okay. 1 second. Okay. So we have this wire cutter written over here. This is the wire cutter, this portion. Then this is basically, I think this part is for the insulated crimpers. You can see these dots. Mine, as you can see, this was a blue one. This is a blue one. So I'm gonna see, this is the blue over here. So I think they're same for all the yellow, red and blue. So it will go somewhere in here. So that's the crimper. For the insulated ones, and this is for the non-insulated ones, and it's given over here. As it suggests, it's like an auto stripper thing. So we have this mechanism, you see. Again, gonna do it. So this is the mechanism. This is a stopper if you want to cut your wires in some specific lengths for your job. Then you need this. This is some kind of adjustment tool which is used to adjust the tension on this thing for smaller wires. That's what I've heard. Okay, so that's with the tool. On the back side you don't have any more things. Okay, so without now let's go with the testing of this tool. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this thing aside. How to do this? Okay, this is a bit tight. Okay. Oh, this is very tight indeed. Oh. Okay, so I'm just keeping this aside over here for now, and let's go ahead with testing this. Okay, so first thing we're gonna test is on this wire. So I'm gonna do two types of tests on all these wires. One is the end strip and is the mid strip on all the three kind of wires. Okay, so the first one goes over here like this. Then take this, and that is excellent job. Okay, and there is the blank. So excellent job on cutting of this thing. Now let's do a mid strip. Great, you can see the mid strip. That looks cool. Okay, so that's the one wire. Let's try on this double wire. Great, it did the job correctly. You can see, awesome. Okay, awesome, you can see. Again, do the same trick, the mid stripping. go. You can see, awesome. So let's try the cutter as well. Yeah, cutter is also fine. So I'm just gonna split these two wires now, just because I'll be connecting it to the bullet connectors, so I need the two of them. Okay, I'll just keep this thing for a moment aside. Now this is a thinner wire. Let's see how it works on the thinner wires. Works awesome. The mid strip, I'll try it over here. Hold on a second. Ah, there it is. It did not strip in the middle. I think we need to adjust this tension now. See, it's not stripping. So let's try to play with this thing. Okay, I did something. Now let's try it. There it is. It works great. This basically adjusts the tension. If you rotate it clockwise, it'll give you better results with the smaller wires. So I'm going to return it back to the original position. I guess I turned it 1 or 2 times. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, so that was regarding the connector, the wires. Now let's go ahead with our bullet connectors. I'm gonna cut it again. I'm gonna strip it. Is this sufficient? I'm gonna strip it a little more. Okay, I think that's will be sufficient. Okay, then same thing again. Take your crimper, first place it properly. Okay, then take the wire, put it in. Okay, I think we are in. Why aren't we in yet? Okay, we are in. I'll just crimp it. Okay, so that is the crimping done. I'll try to get a very closer look on this thing. Yeah, so you can see the crimping is done. It's done very nicely, and this is a good fit. I cannot pull it out. I just can't pull it out. So that's how you can crimp the connectors as well. You know, I'm gonna try crimping one more time, just one more time. So this is like one end. Sorry for the focus, but I'm on the manual focus right now. So take this thing, just crimp it. Then keep the wire aside for a moment. Take your bullet connector. Take your bullet connector. First place it properly over here. Position, just tension it a little bit so that it holds it properly. Then hold it firmly. Do not let it go. Then from one end, take the wire, put it in like that, and then press it hard. Yeah, that's how it needs to be done. Release it, and here you have it. I can see the wire came out from here because I did not cut it properly. But anyways, you can see the crimping is really nice. So it's like an insulated connector. It doesn't come out, so the fit is tight. Then I have my the one which I made earlier, and this thing. Then you just make a good connection like this, and there it is. It clicks in, and it's a good insulated connection. You want to remove it, just pull it apart. You have this thing, you put it in, and you have a good connection. Yeah, so that's with the review. I know it's been a little long, but I hope it helps you guys. And bye, take care. That's a good product. Do buy. Just gonna put that back. Yeah, bye, take care.